In this video, I'm going to show you how to start the virtual classroom. So now you already have the virtual classroom link. So you click on that to set up a new meeting. And then right now it says here the meetings, there's no active meetings, and also there's no recorded meetings. Oh, there's one recorded meeting, which I did it this morning. But anyway, so for the active meeting, if you want to start an active meeting, you click on the plus button here for schedule meeting. And then, so type in your title. And then the meeting date, I'll just make it today. Click OK. And for the meeting time, I just click on now here, or you can specify the time. But what I'll do, I'll just click on now so that I can do the testing. And then the maximum duration, you can set the maximum duration to 15, 30, 60 minutes. So you just have to choose here. So what I'll do here, I'll just click on 30. And then it says here repeat weekly. I will say does not repeat. And then I can also click on automatically record the meeting and then publish recorded meeting, or I'll just unpublish that first and then allow external participant, which means to say the people who are not enrolled in the or not registered in the course can view it, can view your meeting. So what I'll do here, I'm gonna uncheck the invite entire class and I'll click on allow external participant so that I can test it on one of the staff member here. And then I click on save. So make sure you have, and it says here meeting created test 1. So that's an active meeting now. So make sure you have a USB microphone and a webcam if you wanna show them your video. But for now, I'm just gonna do the audio. So here in test 1, and click on the action button here. And then what I'll do, I'm going to copy external link because this link is what I'm gonna send my office mate so that he could be invited to my meeting. So copy external link. And then what I'll do, I'm just send him an email now. And then now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to actions and click on launch. So here it says here that test 1 is the title and I'm the moderator. And this is the invite link for external people. And what I'll do, I'll click on enter meeting room. So here there's like a microphone check. So I click on microphone. And make sure in Chrome, click on allow. And now it's connecting. And I did a test and I click on yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Now I'm going to click on the user list here. And I'm going to wait for Matt. Okay, so now in the user list, I can see Matt is already active. So I'm just gonna just chat, and then I'm just gonna say, "Can you hear me?" And so basically, you can chat to a student in the messaging here. So what you can do too for public chat, if you want to chat to the whole class, you can click on the public chat and you can put your message here. But if you want to chat privately, you just have to click on the username and then click on chat. Okay, so I'm gonna, so Matt says he can hear me with no issue. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm going to share my screen to Matt. Okay. So to share your screen, click on this button here for share your screen. So I'm gonna click on this one here. And then I'm using dual monitors. So it shows here I have an option to show my screen 1 or screen 2. So what I'll do, I'm going to share my screen 1. and then click on share. And then it says here notification that screen share has started. So basically I'm in my first monitor now, and I'm moving the template, the poster template, and I'm sharing that screen. So I'm just gonna message Matt if he can see my screen. So I'm just gonna close that. Okay, so he messaged me and he said, I can see your screen with a very little delay. So that's good. Okay, so what you can do, you can put in screen one, you can put your PowerPoint presentation or any software that you want to show your students. And yeah, so now what I'll do now is I'm going to activate Matt as a presenter. So basically I want Matt to show his screen to me so that I can see his screen or whatever he wants to show me. So for example, if he has done a poster and he wants me to look into his poster, so I'm gonna click on his name here, and then I click on make presenter, and then it says here screen share has ended because I'm letting Matt share his screen. So right now Matt is showing his screen, and so basically I can see that he's browsing to the web advisor for guests, and so basically anything he shows in the screen will be reflected here, and I can see it and the class can see it, and both of us, we can interact. So the next one, what I'll do is I'm gonna ask him to use his microphone. I'm just gonna chat and say, can you use your microphone?
I have taken my microphone off mute, and Alex should now be able to hear me.
Perfect. Thank you, Matt. It works fine, and you notice in the user list here, Matt's microphone, which before this one was red and it was disabled, but now it's green, means to say, okay, that's red, and then later on that will be green if he wants to talk to me. So Matt, can you activate your microphone, please? There. Can
I'm muted, and you can hear me.
Perfect. I can hear you loud and clear. Okay, so that ends this tutorial, and thank you, Matt, for participating. So if you want to end your recording while you do, so and in order to end your recording, you just go to this button here and click on end meeting. Since I set this to record, and here it says the recording, so basically whatever I showed you or whatever the meeting is all about, it's been recorded. So I'm gonna end the meeting now and click on end meeting.